Hi friends, I am Flying Diva again. I would like to welcome you in my channel, that is Flying Diva, and today I'll be doing a video about that how to do the eyebrows when you cannot go outside because we are quarantined already. So today I'll be telling you about one important thing. If you have it, that's awesome, but if you don't have it, I'm not very sure that what to do. Okay, so today I'll be telling you about that how to do your eyebrows and your chin, your upper lips, your facial hair with just one product. If you have it, that's awesome. So today I'll be telling you about that product. What is that? It is Veet hair trimmer. I think this is the best purchase that I have ever did till now. So I would like to tell you that it comes with two attachments. One is bigger one is the small one. See, this is the small one and this is the bigger one. So I'll tell you everything about this, that how much does it cost, how does this work, and what all you can do with this. So basically that's electric trimmer, I would say. That's electric trimmer. Okay, so basically this is the cap which we get it if we are traveling or something like that. That's so small that it can go anywhere. Like you can keep it in your purse, in your trolley bag, and it will just take a little of space in your bag and it will be done. So this is the trimmer which I got in the packaging. I got this packet also with that, but this is like totally messed up, it's dirty. So I would like to tell you that they give it in so nice packaging. This has, you know, zip also in this, you can use this. And I have this trimmer, the machine. Basically it has two detachments, I've already told you. So this, I'll just remove it. Okay, so this is the first attachment, and you just have to twist it like this. So basically it's it's anti-clockwise. You have to put it, just twist it a bit and it will come in your hand. Yeah, like this. Same way you can just attach it also. I'm just attaching the another attachment in this. Just put it inside. There are few can you see here? So you have to put it. There's an arrow also, the small arrow. I don't know whether you can see or not. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, small arrow. It will tell you that how to remove and put it. So you have to just do it like this and just twist it a bit. You'll hear a click sound and you'll do it, right? So, and this is another attachment if you want to use it for the bigger areas, like you can do your waxing also with this. It's a very, very, very important thing. So just pull it like this and it will come out like this. This is the cover basically, so that nothing will go inside if you'll put it somewhere, right? So this is the Veet trimmer I have. Okay, it will cost approximately, which I got it for, I think 1300 from Nykaa, and you can get it in Amazon also. If you'll buy it from Amazon, that'll be better, because I got it before I saw in Amazon. 200-300 I have lost. So the MRP for this is I think $15.99, but I got it for 1300 if I'm not wrong. Yes, 1300 I got it for. So it's a very nice product. You should always keep it. And if you feel like I don't want to go just for the eyebrows or for my upper lips or anything, So you can do everything at home just one item. This is the one-stop solution. This is a very nice thing, and they give you one brush also. You can clean the bristles of this like this. Alright, yeah, so you can use it like this. So I want to do my eyebrows today in front of you. That's why I am showing you, that's why. Alright, so I'll just remove it again. I'll put that small attachment which I got for my eyebrows, like small areas on my face. So this is basically for the face. And one more important thing I would like to tell you, there is a button over here, not button, I would say that's a attachment again, in which you put two cells, normal cell, the cell which you use in the clocks and all. So you'll just twist it, pull it towards you, yep, and actually one. So you just have to use only one cell. This is the normal cell, normal battery, you can say that, which we put in the clock. That is AA plus AA cell. Alright, so you have to put this thing on top and this thing down like this. Can you see? Hold it like this vertically. You have to put the cell also vertically, put it inside and just lock it with the cover of this and just rotate it same. And to switch it on, just rotate it, it will start working. It's on now, so you can use it on your face anywhere, wherever you want. Mirror, my mirror. Alright, okay, I have switched it on. Just use it very carefully over the eyebrows. On your face you can use it like this. The small one, I'll just shut it off. The small one, this also has two bristles, or I would say cutters. Small, the small one is for the smaller parts of the eyebrows, and the bigger one you can use it for your face, this area and your chin and everywhere. Basically this small portion is for this one. This has two, can you see? Yep. So this one is for eyebrows, eyebrow area, and this is for the chin area and the forehead and the whatever. You can do whatever you want to. Alright, so I'll just switch it on by just twisting it, and I'm using one mirror. So today, okay, so I am doing the forehead first, so I'm using this bigger part. Do it very carefully, guys, very carefully, otherwise you might lose your eyebrow also. Very carefully. When you will go towards your hair, you have to be extra careful. You can use your both hands also if you want, but right now I'm showing you, that's why I cannot use my both hands. The way we do in the parlor, we hold it and then they do it, our eyebrows and upper lips, whatever. So you can use the same way. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not, but my face is clearing. I'll just shut it off. For my eyebrows, I'll be using it the same thing but in a different angle. I'll just show you how.